Polish Navy is the military branch of the Polish Armed Forces responsible for naval operations. The Polish Navy is one of the largest navies on the Baltic Sea and one of the best equipped. It is mostly responsible for Baltic Sea operations. Other duties include search and rescue operations covering parts of the Baltic, as well as hydrographic measurements and research. Poland's entrance into the North Atlantic Treaty Organization has greatly changed the structure and role of the Polish Navy. Whereas before, most of Naval High Command was concerned with coastal defense and Baltic Sea operations, the current mindset is for integration with international naval operations. The focus is on expansion of subsurface naval capabilities, and in the creation of a large submarine force. To facilitate these changes, the Republic of Poland has undertaken a number of modernization programs aimed at creating a force capable of power projection around the world. This includes a number of foreign acquisitions, including the acquisition of 4 Kobin-class submarines from Norway, and 2 Oliver Hazard Perry-class frigates from the United States. The Polish Navy has also 1 Kilo-class submarine. The Naval Air Arm has also acquired a number of Sh-2G Super Sea Sprite helicopters. The Polish Navy has taken part in numerous joint force operations. In 1999, the naval base of Gdynia became the home base of all NATO submarine forces in the Baltic, codenamed Cooperative Poseidon. That same year, joint American-Polish submarine training maneuvers codenamed Baltic Porpoise for the first time utilized the port in a multinational military exercise.